Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. Here on this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find this window of X Twitter and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your